Noodles is one of famous food in the world. According to the World Instant Noodles Association, about 290 million servings of instant noodles are eaten every day. If you are a noodle lover, then you should know this about it. Today there are more than 40 varieties of noodles. Do you know that how first noodle was made? The first noodles were made 4,000 years ago with millet grass grain. In many cultures and regions, noodles are not just a food. For Chinese, they are a symbol of long life. They are prepared as a customary dish on occasions like Chinese New Year and birthday gatherings. Noodles have connection with space. In 2005, instant noodles made it into the space with Japanese astronaut Soichi Noguchi. It was the Nissin food that invented zero-gravity instant noodles. They developed a special ball-shaped version of the usually dangling noodle that space travelers can easily eat in space. Noodles originated as a luxury item. Yes, you read it right. When invented, noodles were somewhat of a luxury item. In that period, one packet of noodles was about 10 times the price of present-day ones. If you are a noodles fan, you will be glad to know that there is a noodles museum in Osaka, Japan. According to reports, the museum archives almost 4,560 varieties of noodles and even the process of making. Noodles became an important food in Japan during World War II. The country experienced the shortage of food in those days, and the only food item easily available was dried noodles that later gained the status of the staple food of the country. Like this video, share it, and for more content subscribe to channel. Thanks for watching the video.